students, we are starting exercise 2.6 and question number 5. Question number 5 states that calculate z bar, z plus z bar, which is z bar is basically conjugate of complex number, right? Then z minus z conjugate or z into z conjugate. So I'm solving here second part of this question in which z, the complex number, is equals to 2 plus iota, right? Now firstly I need to find its conjugate, because I told you before that z bar, when we have a bar over z, it shows that we need to take the conjugate of that complex number. So I'm going to take conjugate of this number, which is plus iota bar, and when I apply it, the imaginary part turns negative if it's positive, and if it's already negative then it will become positive. Here it's iota is plus, and when I will take the conjugate it will become 2 minus iota. The real part will remain as it is. Now second thing we need to find is z plus z bar. Z plus z bar, which is z plus conjugate of z. So firstly I need to write z here, means a complex number, which is 2 plus iota in this case, plus z bar is 2 minus iota, and when I simplify, 2 plus 2 will be 4, and iota and minus iota will be cancelled. So the answer is 4 here. Now the next thing we need to find is z minus z bar, which is z minus z bar. Again I'm going to write z here, which is 2 plus iota, and then minus bracket z bar, which is 2 minus iota. This is the value of conjugate of z, 2 minus iota, right? So here minus into 2 minus iota, I'm gonna apply this negative symbol. I'm gonna multiply it with both of these. So let's see what we get. 2 plus iota minus into plus 2 will be minus 2, minus into minus iota will be plus iota. Now let's simplify it. 2 and minus 2 will be cancelled here, then iota and iota will be added and we will get 2 iota, right? The third thing, last thing that we need to find here is z into z bar, means we need to multiply z and its conjugate. So let's find out. Z into z bar is equals to 2 plus iota into z bar is sorry, it's here, z bar is 2 minus iota, so I'm going to write it here, 2 minus iota. Now as you can see that here we have the form a plus b into a minus b, so we can apply this formula. A plus b into a minus b is equals to a square, means the first term square, minus b square, second term, whatever term you have, because in this case we don't have a and b. It's not necessary that you have a and b, but if you have this first term similar, and then they are both terms are added firstly and then they are subtracted, and then second term is same, which is the case here. So we can apply this formula. So we'll get here first term square, which is 2 square, plus minus minus, and then iota or second term, whatever term you have, and then we get iota square, right? So 2 square will be 4 minus iota square, and we know the value for iota square is minus 1, so answer will be 4 minus iota square is minus 1. So let's substitute the value here. Minus into minus will be plus, so 4 plus 1 is equals to 5. So that's all we have for today. Thank you very much.